address again?
Kaunisharjunpolku 3, staircase B.
Yeah, we have also from staircase A here. It's in Kärpänen. Lahti is Finland. That was a purpose in 6 was. It was built in 1976 by ValmetSchlieren and December as PS 45A86. Modernized in 2002 by Kone without the pictures.
Inspected by Lift Control Finland and maintained by also nowadays this.
I think the machine is still part of the original.
Yeah, like in most Delta modernizations. Or almost all Delta modernizations.
Yeah. Shall we do a second run?
Yeah, we can do it.
Yeah. So we didn't do it in this take a say. But also EA was more difficult.
Yeah.
That's it. Thanks for watching.
That's